Laptop bed tray, multitasking bamboo lap desk, folding TV tray table, smartphone tablet lap tray for homework, study, reading, eating, food tray table. Lap desk bed tray. The multitasking laptop bed tray is the perfect lap desk for work, games, reading, eating and school, all from the comfort of your bed, sofa or couch. Standing desk for office workers, tablet holder, 21.5 L x 14.1 W x 13.8 inches. Adjustable top, height and width adjustable. 5 adjustable slots can give you 5 tilting angles. And a removable baffle for preventing laptop sliding off when the top is adjusted obliquely. Dimensions: 21.5 width x 13.75 depth x 13.8 height. The tray table accommodates laptop computers up to 15. Integrated storage drawer. Foldable legs for easy storage. Work from home, the perfect lap tray, so you can get work done from the comfort of your bed. The lap tray allows you to use your 13 or 15 laptop and a computer mouse with plenty of room to spare. The tablet and smartphone slots allow you to easily see any incoming calls, messages, or emails. There is also a storage drawer in case you have extra pens or accessories. Worry-free, no assembly required, it is ready to go right out of the box. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.